Hello, welcome to our teen craft. This time we're going to be making a fun little gift out of these miniature pizza boxes. I purchased these little pizza boxes from Stampin' Up! Company, and so they're a lot of fun, a lot of great things you can do with them. Today we're going to be putting candy inside, but they are just the right size that you could put some cute sticky notes or some other fun little trinkety things or jewelry in, and then decorate the box. So about everything you need is in your craft kit. You'll probably want to grab a pair of scissors. And then if you want to embellish it even more than this, you're welcome to do so. So you'll need to get those supplies as well if that's what you want to do. I'm going to switch that camera angle so you can see how we're doing this, and we'll get started. Okay, so our first step in our project is to take your pizza box that is in your craft kit. You're going to want the shiny side up or towards you, and you're going to go around the edges and bend them up just a little bit on those creases. So you'll want to go around each little crease and flap and bend them so it makes it easier to put your pizza box together. Again, these are really cute little boxes. I bought them from Stampin' Up! And I'm guessing that they probably have them available other places as well. So after I did the bends, the first part you're going to want to do is to tuck in these sides like this, and then put this flap over, and this is going to tuck kind of over the top of these flaps. So like this, over the top, and then push it down, and the little tabs will go into those little creases on the bottom half. Okay, so once you have that, the next step is going to be to put your little bag of paper shreds in there. So kind of dump those out. And I need to kind of pull them out a little bit. They're kind of stuck in the little jewelry bag. Put those little shreds in there, and it just kind of gives it a little bit of texture in your craft kit. You also have some chocolates, so go ahead and put your Dove chocolates in there. You should each have 4. I think we had a few different kinds to share with you. So there you have the contents in there. So next thing you're going to do is fold it up just like you would if you were putting some leftover pizza away. Tuck all those tabs in around the edges and enclose your pizza box just like this. So there you have your box with your candy in it to give to a friend. The next step is going to be adding the little tag and decor. And this is just kind of up to you how you want to approach it. To make it look like mine, I took my twine, flipped this over. So the numbers, dates are down. Take some of your string and go up from the bottom and pull through. And then take the other end of your string and do the same thing. Kind of come up through the bottom and pull through. And you're going to have tails. You can kind of go this way with this one, or if you want to have it on the back, you can go up through the bottom side. So it's kind of whatever you prefer. So I wanted to show you this way. If you don't like that way, then pull it out, and you'll go up this way and up this way and pull it so it's in the middle like this. So 2 different approaches. So you decide which way you want your holes to go through. Whichever way you choose to put the loop on, you're going to go up through that. Then right away, I put my little wooden snowflake on there. There's a variety of different snowflakes that we have, and each one has a hole in some place on that snowflake. So I'm going to kind of twist up my end and just feed my string through one of the holes. And then it kind of adds, it's like a little charm on there. And you can put it on the top or you can put it on the bottom. Okay, so I kind of want my tag centered. So I'm going to grab my two ends and make sure that I'm in the middle of my string like this, pretty close. I'm going to lay this on top of my pizza box. Now you could also, if you don't want that to move around, you could put some sticky tape or glue on the back, glue that down at that point, and then it holds it steady. And then I just kind of wrapped my string around a couple times and wrapped it around. And you can either go over the top of your card like that and wrap it, or you can wrap it underneath. So you kind of go underneath your cardstock and underneath your cardstock. So that's kind of your preference. I just want to show you a couple different approaches to it so you can decide which way you like the look of better. So then on the back side, I am going to take this and tie a knot, and that will hold my strings in place. They're a little longer than I would like, so I'm going to kind of trim those off, flip it over and just do a little adjusting. And here I have a little gift. Little snowflakes kind of popping up on this one a little bit. You can kind of wedge it. If yours is popping up and you don't like that look, you can kind of tuck it under some of the other twine to hold it down. So there you have little gifties, just for a friend. And again, you can kind of put about anything in there. You can use tape and tape these things down if you prefer, or you can leave them loose. Thanks for crafting with us. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.